Hello and welcome to 816 Chablis Drive here in Columbia. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1-car garage, fully fenced in backyard. Also, you have a screened in back porch, very nicely landscaped as well on both sides of the home. Let's go take a look in the backyard. All right, we are now in the backyard of the home. As soon as you come through the gate right here, you have your screened in back porch and also your fence right here. Pretty good size height on the fence, give you some privacy there. And it wraps around here. And as you can see, you have your screened in back porch. You have your lighting right here and also your slide doors, and those actually lead to the living room portion of the home. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in, you have your hardwood right here. First door to your right is bedroom number 1, and then you have your door right here to the left of the hallway, which leads to the garage. Also, there's a linen closet right beside bedroom number 1. Here is bedroom number 1. You have your nice carpet right there. And you have a pretty decent sized mirror, a pretty decent sized window that looks out into the front yard of the home. And also you have your double door closet right there as well. All right, coming out of bedroom number 1, you have bathroom number 1, which is located right here in the hallway. You have your single vanity right here, wood cabinet, pretty good sized mirror right there, and then you have your tub right here, which is your garden tub and shower combo. And then you have your toilet right here. Right across from the bathroom, you have your galley style kitchen. You have your black appliances, very nice wood cabinets. Gives a nice feel that complements the dark countertops. And to the right here, you have the pantry. In here you have your smooth top stove and also built-in microwave. Coming through here, you have your dine-in portion. Right here, you have your chandelier and windows that look out into the backyard as well. Gives it a really nice view. And here you have your living room. Pretty high ceilings in the living room, and also you have your ceiling fan. And here's where we mentioned earlier to where it leads to the screened in back porch. All right. And also you have your window in the kitchen that has a light right there above the sink. And right here you have the laundry room, which sits a full-size washer and dryer. And right next door to the laundry room, you have your master bedroom Pretty decent size master bedroom. Also a pretty large window that looks out into the backyard as well. And I know you're probably wondering where the closet is. It's actually located inside of the bathroom, which we'll get to in one moment. Here is the master bathroom. As soon as you come in, you have your garden tub right here and your shower head right there. Also, you have your double vanity sinks. Pretty large mirror. And you also have your linen closet right next to the sink. And right here you have your toilet. And this door right here leads to the walk-in closet. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home, which is 816 Chablis in Columbia. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, very nice home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.